See, but before I went into Inner Awakening, I really knew nothing about the program. So whatever came my way was all bounties and bounties of surprises, bounties and bounties of completions, and things I had not really expected. One of the things that I found so very different about this program is that it makes you confront your negative patterns in such a amazingly simple manner, yet so powerful and yet so profound, without taking the seriousness of really getting to the root of your negative patterns. And once you have done that, and you also realize, in a way, you're in a space of oneness, because everybody is in the same boat as you. Everyone is having their own negative patterns. Once you have brought that to the fore, what happens is that you surrender it to the feet of Swamiji, and he takes over from there. And through the process of awakening your Kundalini and bringing forth the powers of your third eye, what he does is he, using sounds and vibrations, rewrites, literally, not even rewrites, he just simply erases all the negative patterns that are within you, and literally imprints upon it the sounds of the cosmos. That's one aspect of it. The other aspect of it is that you go through this spiritual journey in a place like Varanasi. And you find that as you're going on this yatra of Varanasi, it is not just a yatra of a place which is the oldest in this Hindu place in this universe, but also you realize you're going along with it, your own personal journey, your own sacred yatra within your own self, and the kind of liberation you feel. Now, at the end of it, you realize that, my God, anything is possible. I had only just returned home from my program. I was just relaxing in the cozy confines of my home, and I was just yanked out of there and asked to come over and take over as the editor of Nityananda Times. So from my own limited, what I thought was, this is all that is possible for me, Swamiji saw much, much bigger possibilities and has put me in charge of this magazine, and has even told me he's not really looking at it from a very small space. He's looking at it, making it, crossing all boundaries, going international, and making it available to just about everybody in this world. So those are the kind of awakenings that is going to happen. It is not simply just a Kundalini that is going to awaken, but lot more of the possibilities that are within you are going to awaken. Right in front of me during the program, there were so many miracles that took place. I personally experienced 2 to 3 miracles. I found people who were at an age where you would say, no, it's not possible for people like us with an awakened Kundalini to be doing blindfold reading. And we had a person, something in the age, he was 74 years old, and he was doing blindfold reading of such large passages. You would think, my God, if he could do it, I can do it. And believe me, blindfold reading is just a little candy, as Swamiji would say. The way your third eye awakening is going to open the kind of possibilities for you is really unimaginable. So I really wanted to share this little bit with you. And just like you saw in those videos, as in the case of the car, in fact, you will find that large part of the program, this is one of the programs where you'll enjoy yourself so much, simply because all the work is going to be done by Swamiji. You're going to be just there, just taking it in all, and experiencing how beautifully it sits within you and helps you to overcome your negative patterns. And then you will come out with this feeling that I'm here all ready to take on the world, and I'm here to conquer the world. So thank you for giving me this opportunity to share this bit with you.
So it's now time for you to decide for your life. If you really want to live the life the way you have written in your notebook, on the right-hand side of the column, manifest your reality, rewrite your future, the time is now. And the best possible opportunity on the earth is inner awakening. because it is directly from a person who has achieved the purpose of his life, who's living life in eternal bliss in Nityananda. So he is the right person from an enlightened consciousness. Swamiji is sharing with us the various truths and techniques so that you can live the life that you always wanted it to. It need not be a dream anymore. It can become your reality. So if you are saying yes to your inner awakening, my only request for you is this. Take the first step towards inner awakening by registering for the program. Today, in the presence of the Master, which is not limited by space or time, take the first step by registering for the program, which means by putting in a $1,000 deposit for the program and saying, yes, I am committed to my transformation. I want to spend 21 days of my life in making my inner awakening happen. And for those of you who feel there may be some obstacle, you really want to do it, but you feel there may be something that could be stopping you, please fill out the intention form where you submit your intention. You make a decision to do the program and you're requesting Swamiji's blessings to make your inner awakening a reality. And for the very first time, for those of you who feel you need to manifest the wealth, or you need to complete with your wealth pattern, which could be stopping you from experiencing inner awakening, as Swamiji mentioned, we have an exclusive program just to complete with your wealth pattern and create abundance and prosperity in your life, which is the August 29th and 30th, exclusively on wealth creation. It's a 2-day program, just for $50, directly taken by Swamiji himself. So in your intention form, if you want to register for the upcoming program on wealth, please mention that as well, that I want to register for the wealth creation program, which can help you manifest the wealth in your life and for you to experience inner awakening.